like Lake,
That's right.
right? Yeah,
Yes. And you know,
that's
let me run this page, and so we can see what we are talking about. Let me close this one, and then I can go back to.
you do it in one of the HTML. You
Mm,
in the awesome HTML.
yeah. So if you see, this is my Lakeland. This is the image that we are showing on the web page. And if I go back to my document, if I change the name here, Lakeland 1, this is not available. So it will be displaying my Lakeland, the text one, alternate text. Now,
Yeah.
can you tell me why this alternate text is so big? Huh?
Mm, is
Because
it
because we are having
H1?
H1. If I change it to P, if I change it to P, I can,
It
but in that case, what will happen?
will be a normal text.
It will be a normal text. Okay. So that is, keep in mind that we can, depending on my, so this H1 is not going to impact the image. Okay. But
Yeah.
it will definitely impact the ALT, alternate command. So I can bring it back, the image, I can bring it back by putting the right file name, and I can refresh. So it is back. Now, another thing that we want to talk about is a small icon in the footer. Okay, let's see. Do we have a footer? Can you see that?
Yeah, the color one.
The small, this is the small image, okay. This is the small image icon, like an icon, okay. So let's go and see what we can do. Actually, it was a bullet here, okay. It was it was a bullet, like and bull semicolon, okay. It was like that. Uh, so I can just, and it was like a bull eyes, okay. So now if I refresh, you will see that we have a dots, you know.
Bullet points.
Yeah, this was the dots, the bull eyes.
Mm.
So what we need to do is we have a some small icon, okay? We have a small icon. Let me go and show you in the image folder. We have a favorite icon. You see the favorite icon, this one?
Yeah.
This is what we want to use instead of the dots. So what we're going to do is I can go back to my program. I can go back to my program, which is this one. No, not this one. Where is that? This is the one. So in this, what I will do is in the footer, I will use, instead of dot, okay, let's keep the dot here. I just want to make an image, img, and the source is
Source after that equal the name.
images.
Quotation.
It is in the images. And then I have file name is favicon.ico. This is my, and I close the image. Okay. So let's see and see the footer, what happens. You see that? We have the bullets, and then we have the favorite icon. Now,
Mm.
favorite icon is big. Okay. I want to make it small so it can fit in this it should be same as size of the text. So what I'm going to do is I'll change the height. Height, height is equal to, I will say 16. Okay, let's try that. Did you see that?
Yeah. See.
Height is equal to 16. Okay, I can say the width is equal to 16 as well. And that's it. So like that. Alternate text, we don't need the alternate text because this is just like a. So if you see that we got a dot, so I can remove the bull from here. Okay, I can remove the bull. So the bull will not be there. I will not be there, and we'll have some small icon here. That is one.
I have a question here.
Yeah.
In the alternative, can we put the bullet point? Like if it's not showing, I can put the bullet point.
A very nice question, huh? I can just do. I think it's a text, so I'm not sure it will be displayed. It will be displayed like the. So I can, let me change the file name, and you will see that we
Okay.
got a
Okay.
bullet, but with this one, you see that?
Yeah, the image.
Yeah, we got a bullet, but we got this one as well. So because it was an image, so yeah. So yes, you can get the bullet. You can get the bull, but it will not replace the total entire thing.
So I cannot an alternative. I can put also commands. Yeah.
Yeah, you can put command. That's what we found it here. Now again, in the image, I can say src is equal to what? Again,
Okay.
images,
A quotation.
quotation, sorry. I missed
Quotation.
that one.
Okay. We use the path
Tab icon,
dot ICO quotation.
ICO, quotation, and then height.
We change the height to fit
Yeah,
height equal 16. Space width equal 16.
16. And alternate text is equal to,
Oh, double quotation.
yeah, alternate text is equal to double quotation, empty anyway. We don't want anything inside. And that's it. And if you see here, so we got both from this side. Okay. So this was one thing. And did we talk about having,
Sections.
did we talk about having
Yeah. You
on the
told me
top, you
plus
see here, how we can do that? Do you remember?
the focus.
No, this on the top, you have an
Yeah.
icon. You see here, we have a WhatsApp icon,
Yeah.
Google icon. So
Oh, yeah.
we have an icon for this one on the title, on the, yeah. On this.
Maybe in the header after the title put icon.
Okay, yes, we have to go to the header. So we have to go to the header. Where is that? Before the style, outside the style, we have a link command. You remember that link command?
Yeah. Link rel equal
So the link has two attributes. What are those? What are those? One
style
is,
sheets
no, one is href and the other is
and rel.
rel is a
What's the
relationship.
What's the meaning of the href and rel?
Rel is a relationship. Rel mean relationship.
Okay.
Relationship to this hypertext reference. Okay. The linking, we are linking, and rel mean relationship to, H is for hypertext. Hypertext references. So this is the relationship is shortcut icon, okay? And href is, we have to give
The icon.
images. What is the images name?
Favcon dot
ICO. Okay. So this is what we have. I can just make it like that. Is that okay? So now if I save it and I go back to my page and I refresh it, you see here, okay, on this part, you can see that it is there. You see that?
Yeah.
So this is how you can get that part. Okay. Now the next part is how we can have an image in the background. Okay. So for example, this is my web page. Sorry, where is that? This is my web page. And now the web page, I want a background should have a
You
picture
want it in the whole page, like in the body or in the container?
in wherever you like.
Okay, we put it in the body because it's
In the
easy.
body. Let's
We'll
see.
put the body after that brackets.
Yeah, body, and then I have to say
background.
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 Instead of color, I will give a picture. That is a URL, okay? So for the picture URL and the bracket, like that, and semicolon. Now in this one, you're gonna tell the path. Where is the picture? That
image
is
slash
images slash lake
lakeland.
job lake.jpg. I think we have a picture like lake.jpg. So let's see if it is there. You see that? So this is the picture that is now our background.
Can we change the color of the picture?
No,
the command?
you change the picture. You cannot change the color of the picture.
Okay.
Just change the picture. So this is our picture. Background is there. You can. I'm
You
not.
can put fixed and relative states, right?
For what?
For the picture, I mean.
No, relative state or fixed? No. That is background is background. Now, if you want to change, if you want to say no, I want it. If you see here at the moment, it is for, you see, this is
The
kullu.
whole page.
Yeah, it is repeating. The image is repeating again and again. You see that?
We can put it in a specific thing.
So I can even say dot container. Okay, if I say dot container, then you will see that this picture is not for the whole website. This is for the only container part. Oh, dot container is not there. Okay, dot container. We don't have a dot container here. Okay, guys.
Yeah, we don't have div class.
Yeah, so we can give it for the article, by the way. Let's try to give it for the article, huh? So
Okay.
article has a background, which is a picture, and no, article has a background. Is this picture available? Yes, no? Let's go and see. So we have a lake.jpg. So we have the picture. Yeah, picture is there. Why it is not coming? Article background. Article background. Yes. It should display for this article. Why not? So it should be displaying for the article. Okay, let's see one more time. In the style, I have, oh, this is, I'm in the comment. So I have to be outside the comment. Okay. And then I should say,
Mm.
well, this is somewhere, this is okay. I'm here actually. So this is like
Mm.
article, background, URL, background, article, background, URL, images / lake.jpg.
The same.
The same. So what is wrong? Why it is not coming? Okay. So refresh has a problem. It was in the cache, so it was reading from cache, not from the real page. So it is done. Okay. So now the article is having the picture. So like that. And another thing is, I think we have another command like opacity. Okay. And if you say opacity, then you will see that opacity for the images is 50%, for example. 50%. So it will dim the image, huh? You see that?
So
Yeah, opacity is 10%, for example. You see? Almost.
almost you can see it.
Yeah, almost you can see it.
But also it will change the text.
90%. So you see that? Because
Mm.
we are talking about the article, okay? We are not talking about the image. So we are talking about the article. That's so article, kullu article is kind of, you know.
Mm.
So if I
Oh,
change it to the body, then it will be like that. Okay, let's go and make the opacity to 10%, huh? So you will see that the body has, where is that? Oh, anything in the body will get the opacity. Okay, this is another thing. Okay, so you have to be very careful about using the opacity, huh? Because opacity is impacting everything in the body. So I just remove it like that, and I don't want this many colors, so I will just the image, I'll take it back. So yeah, so this was the image in the background that we talk about. And now we can mark image as a picture. Okay, so if we have the images, where is the images? You see here image, I have the image.
okay.
This is my image, okay? And this one, content start. So in the article, I have the image, okay? Did you see that? In the article, I have the image.
Yeah.
Now, this image, I can put them into a semantic tag, and the name of the semantic tag is figure, okay?
Okay.
Figure. So I can just put them as a figure. Is it going to make any impact? I don't think so. Thus, this is the only impact it made because figure has some by default margin, some by default padding, or something like that. So that is what it is applying. Otherwise, it has no impact. Okay. Even if I say on the top, if I say in the style, I say, hey, all tags must have a margin 0, okay, padding 0, and what else is there? Margin, padding, and border. Border 0. Then you see that? So it makes no impact. Figure makes no impact on the. Okay. Now this figure has one more tag inside. That is what we call figure caption. Fig caption. Fig caption. Open and close. Figure caption. Figure caption means the name of the picture. So if I write nothing inside and I refresh, it will make no impact. But if I say inside, if I say sunroom, can I make it on the next line? And I can say inside I can say sunroom. So it will display me the picture. It will display me the name of the picture. You see that? Name.
As a paragraph.
Yeah, as a
Oh.
paragraph. It is just a paragraph. Now I want this sunroom to be a link. So if I click, it take me to another page. So do you remember how we can make a link?
Yeah, I wrote it. I think in nav
A
or anchor.
anchor. And what is the command for the anchor to go to the next page?
I think
href
yeah, href.
.html. Okay. So and then we have to close the A. Did you see that? I just open the href and I close the href. And now if I go back and I see here, you will see that. You'll see the sunroom. Sunroom got a link. You see that?
Yeah.
And if I click on that, it will take me to the next page. You know?
Yeah, I learned it.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So
I've done it on week 6, I think.
so we learned the figure tag and we learned the image as well. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if you see here, my problem is I want this figure on the right side and this text should be on the left side. Is that okay?
Oh, okay.
So
put,
yeah. So what should I do?
can you use float to the right to
The float right. What?
the command for the picture?
What is that? What is the tag? Float right.
It's tag
Which tag?
float to the right for
Which tag? Which tag?
the
Which
picture.
selected? Which selected?
Yeah, figure.
We don't have time.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
What is the selector?
in the selector we have footer.
No.
No. I mean this command, yeah, figure.
Figure. We want the figure to be on the right side. So float right is like that. Okay.
Or we can use text align, I think.
Text align.
No, it will be the footer down. Okay. We use float.
We use float, right? It's a picture. Okay. Now I want one thing. Can you give me a color for the article?
Maybe red.
No. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. Article color and the background color.
Background color.
Background color. I want to make it. If you don't mind, I want to make it DDD. Is it okay?
Okay. Like the
Okay.
hexagon, I think.
Yeah. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Where is my header?
And the header, it's
Sorry,
link.
article. See my article?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Footer.
Can you make my footer yellow or green or something different?
Okay. Put in the selector footer. Background.
FOOTER, right?
Yeah.
And the background?
Background color red or green. Whatever.
Green. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
And the color is white? What is this color doing? Color white. Huh?
The text colors will be white, but the background will be the green.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
can you please help me to push this down?
We use clear, I think. Command clear.
Okay, what should I say then?
Footer, all clear.
Huh? Clear?
Clear all, I think. Both.
Clear both. Okay. So I pushed it, so it comes down. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what let's see, is this the one that we need to talk about? Okay, we got a figure caption, we got a center. Okay. Figure
I
float.
know. Okay.
Figure float, right? That is fine. Okay, I want to move this one into the sunroom. I want to move it to the center.
Okay, we use text align to the center.
What text align? Okay,
Figure.
Figure. Are you sure?
Oh, where we put sunroom?
Tell me. Figure. Excellent. Let's try figure. Okay. Maybe it works.
No, the pictures will be in the middle.
Picture in the middle. Okay. Let's see that. It works.
Oh, it works.
Why it works? Let's
But
see.
I don't remember where you put the sunroom. Can you show me where you put it?
In the figure, in this figure, you see that?
Yeah. Okay, change it to figure caption.
Actually, we should be doing figure caption, okay? Figure caption, fig caption, fig caption. And that will be central. Now let me make it right so that you can see the difference. Right. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Left. Oops. Left. You see that? And center. And this is center. Okay. So this is how we can play around with. Did you see something here? Did you see something here that article stops here?
What?
Article is stopping here. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Because the gray color is for the article, right? The gray color.
And the selector put article.
Yeah, the gray color is article. But this area is white. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Keep in mind, we'll talk about that, inshallah. Okay, let's see the next part. So we are done with that. And now we are talking about the header room. Okay, we want to make the room. Okay, we want to go to the sunroom. Okay, and we want to make this one, or we already make this one a link. Do you know how to make a link for this one?
Yeah, you tell me.
If I click, it goes back to the home page. If I click on the room, it goes back to the room page. This image is my link. So let's see how we can create this as a link.
We put anchor.
Yes, I anchor for what?
For the picture.
Yeah, for the picture. Okay, let's see that. This is my notepad. I'm opening the room. Now, if you see that, we have the image. You see the image here? This is my Lakeland image, okay? This is my picture. Now, I put this picture into a anchor. You see that?
Yeah.
This anchor. So this command will make my photo
a link.
Yeah, a link. So this will become a photo link, image link. So this is the command. So put the image into the anchor command. That will make your life easy. Okay.
Okay.
So this is one thing that we talked about. And now we'll go for the next part. What is that?
Hello, Mr. Tariq Aziz.
Yes, my dear.
I have a question about JavaScript.
Ahmed, I will come back to JavaScript. Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
What is that question?
How can I make one function to do to do
Okay, okay.
sum and sum and